jajan. I want this one. Sorry, this one. This one. And the sausage, yes. Ya. Cuman 10 baht satunya. Depan satu cak market.